everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. And welcome to Thirsty Thursday.
That's
what are we making?
We're gonna make the Paloma Radler. We've made a Paloma before, which is tequila and grapefruit.
Okay.
And this just adds Radler to it.
Add Radler.
So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of tequila.
Alright.
Uno, dos, and that's good enough. Half an ounce of lime in each. There you go. And we're gonna go roughly 2 ounces of grapefruit in each. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then you're gonna top with a Radler.
With a Radler. Okay.
I like a little more.
Sure.
Then we're just gonna mix those together. So the Paloma, it was a drink, if we had a top 5.
Top 5.
That would have been top 5.
In my top 5.
Last year, for sure.
Yeah.
So, kind of anxious to try this one, because this might be the
I do like Radler.
Tait Real Estate drink of choice this summer. So let's give it a shot.
Ooh, it's pretty good.
That's very good.
The Radler's already got the grapefruit in it.
I really like that.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
You should give that one a try.
Give that a try, the Paloma Radler.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.